Hi everyone, myself Dimpi Sharma, Marketing Manager of Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited. So today we will discuss about BIS registration for IS 27 of Primary Lead Ingots. Let us start with understanding what is BIS. BIS stands for Bureau of Indian Standards, which is a government department and comes under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, which is responsible for issuing ISI mark license that is applicable only on manufacturers, both domestic and foreign. Coming back to primary lead ingots, the QC was issued by DPIIT on 17th of April 2025 that mandates ISI mark on primary lead from 17th October 2025 for medium, large, small and micro scale industries. Before taking the ISI license, the manufacturer needs to set up in-house laboratory. Also, the government provides 80% discount to micro-scale units, 50% discount to small units and 20% discount to medium-scale units applicable only for domestic manufacturers. Now we will talk about the list of documents required for BIS registration for primary lead ingots. First, location map. Second, layout of plant. Third, list of machinery. Fourth, list of testing equipment. Fifth, list of raw materials. Sixth, brand details. Seventh, plant address proof. Eighth, GST certificate. Ninth, MSME certificate. 10th, QCI documents. 11th, process flow chart. 12th, PAN card of business owner. As the leading consultancy in India since 1997, Global Solutions specializes in BIS license facilitation for both Indian and foreign manufacturers with a wealth of experience aiding over 1,000 clients. We offer end-to-end solutions from setting up in-house laboratories to obtaining licenses and managing post-compliance requirements. Our commitment lies in providing a holistic service all under one roof. For more queries, please reach us out at the number and email ID displayed on your screens. Thank you.